Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my unboxing and first impressions of my Ipsy box for November. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get on to the demo, and I will go ahead and give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Hey guys, so I have one eye on, and this is what I came up with. I kind of went out of my comfort zone a little bit with the blue and stuff, but I think it actually looks really pretty. So I did get my Ipsy. I did already open it, and in the Ipsys you do kind of know what you're going to get already. So I did get a face mask, but I'm not going to be using it today just because they're always like wash off face masks that I get. I never get like peel offs, which is ridiculous, but that's okay. That face mask retails for $36, and it is from Apito Skincare. I think that's what you say it. It's a pomegranate mask. So I'll have to try that out in a skincare video for you guys. But what I did get was I did get an eyeshadow palette. This is the Nomad Berlin Underground eyeshadow palette. I believe this eyeshadow palette came out in September's Boxy, or Ipsy, I'm sorry, in September's Ipsy, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, I don't remember. But they look like this. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. I primed my lids and I did my eyebrows already. I already set my lids and everything, so now they're ready for eyeshadow. So I'm going to be going in with this Farrah 22E Shade and Blend Brush. And I'm going to be using this side. And I'm going to be going in with the shade, I don't even know how you say it, Ardence to Be. I don't know, it's this like brown that's right here. And I'm going to put this all in my crease. I'm gonna go in with this like brush that I got from like Family Dollar, and I'm gonna be taking the color East Side Gallery, which is this blue shade right here. This blue shade right here. I did wet it because it just didn't work out, so I did end up wetting it because it wasn't pigmented on its own, which kind of like sucks. With this Coastal Scents number 16 brush, and I'm going to take this color right here. Next thing that I got in my box was this Gigi Gorgeous The Sculpt Bronzer Duo. And this is in the shade Turnt and Extra. I did pick this out because if you are a Ultimate member, you do get to pick one item. So I did pick this because I did want to try out her stuff. And it's nice and white. And oh, this is so cute. Of the mirror, and then it has like her name on it that says like Gigi Gorgeous, and then this is the duo. So we're gonna be using that to contour today. My brush I usually use to contour with, I'm gonna go in with this shade, with the darker shade, this one. brown shade that we used in the crease on the bottom on my lower lash line, and I just added some mascara to the bottom lashes. So my face is completely dry now. I did also get a Ciate London Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm in my bag. And this is, I guess, in the shade Glow, because that's what it says on the top. I never used highlight stick before, so we'll give this a try. This is what it looks like. And this is the shade. I took off my makeup. I don't know, do you guys see anything? Like, I can like barely see it. So I think this would be like a good like base for a highlighter, and then put on the highlighter that you want to use to kind of make it shocking, like a little more popping, you know? I don't know. Okay, and then the last thing I got was this Illamasqua Antimatter lipstick. And this is in the shade Cosmic, which is like a pink. I honestly don't think that this pink lipstick is gonna pull in this look. I think this would go better like with the nude. But I'll go ahead and I'll swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It's like really fancy packaging. This is a shade. It might work. I don't think this would work for the lips, but that is a pretty color. I'm just gonna go in with a nude, and before I do that, this is the bag that we got this month, and then the little like tassels in here, and it's just brown on the inside. Really cute, cheetah print. So let me go ahead and put on a lip, and I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Okay, so I put a lip on. I think it's a little bit too orange. It's Live Glam and Honey Bun that I have on. I think it's a little bit too orange. Maybe something a little bit more brown would work, but that's okay. So my overall thoughts of everything. This month's was Wild Side from Ipsy. So I like the bag. The bag is cute. It's honestly big enough to travel to use even like as a makeup bag. That's really cute. The highlighter stick I did not like. I don't know, it's really subtle, so I need something a little bit more like out there, I guess. I don't know, for this look, I needed something just a little bit more out there. Maybe for like everyday use, this would work. It did kind of take off my makeup, which is really weird. I don't know, like if I'm just wearing, I have too much on, or it does that. I don't know. But I definitely do have to keep playing with this and see if I can make it work. The lipstick is very, very pretty. It's a very pretty color. It just did not go with this look that I did today. But that is okay. I will try to incorporate these products again in future uploads. But I do want to try this lipstick out with a look that I do. I did not use the pomegranate mask that I got just because all the masks that I've been getting, either from BoxyCharm or Ipsy, they are wash-off masks. They're not really like peel-off or sheet masks. Maybe if they were, I would use them, but like on video with you guys to let you guys know like my thoughts. But they're all wash-off masks. So these I'm gonna have to use obviously at my own time later on. I do love the bronzer duo from Gigi Gorgeous. Like it's pretty, it's pigmented. I like it. It's pretty. I think she did a good job. I guess as a first collaboration with Ipsy or her own brand line that she came out with. I think she did really, really good. I love it. And the eyeshadow palette was okay. I think, if I'm not mistaken, probably came out in September's month. I don't know. It kind of looks familiar to me. I mean, they're really pretty. The only thing that kind of sucks is that shade right there just kind of like messed up with when I put like the wet brush on there. But other than that, I mean, the colors are very, very nice. They're pretty. They're pigmented. I got this look. It's kind of a little bit dramatic for like everyday wear. But like if you go out, like you can use this palette. It's very pretty. I do have to keep playing with it just a little bit more to kind of figure out what else I could come up with. But I like the look that I came up with. I do like the way my face looks with the contour stick, with the highlight stick. You know, I obviously had to add another highlighter, but that's okay. I would have really liked to have used the lipstick just so I could have given you my thoughts just like on a little bit more products, but I was only giving my opinion on 3.